Hey YouTube, what's going on today? Vegas Stacker here coming at you on a Sunday, a silver Sunday. We're going to have a silver sit down Sunday and go over some things. The previous week wasn't really too good for those who sweat the price and worry about the price and examine it. Like I said in previous videos, the price only matters when you're ready to sell. So for those that are ready to sell and they're eyeballing the price, the past 2 weeks the price has gone down. We're looking at 5% the previous week. Then last week was 2.4%. It's almost 7.5% in the past 2 weeks, but it's still up around 10% for the year, as is gold. Silver is not lagging gold like some people like to say. As far as months go, silver's had 3 months in the green. So, I mean, it is what it is. Let's see, what are we at? We're up over 1% for this month, as short as it is. Up 5% the month before and 10% the month before that. So, I mean, those of you who are worried about the price or want to know the price, that's what's going on with the price. Still up for the year. We're still sitting at $26.51 as of this morning, Sunday morning. I'm just covering silver. I'm not really into gold right now yet, so I'm sticking to silver. That's what I researched so I can so I can purchase some, and I know what's going on. I'm a poor man, so I'm investing in the poor man's gold. People say silver is the poor man's gold, but Warren Buffett doesn't invest in gold, and he invests in silver, and he's a really, really rich man. So for those of you who say silver is a poor man's gold, I guess Warren Buffett's poor. So that means I'm poor, but hey, whatever. The decline in price, from what I was reading and found some other articles and stuff about, they're blaming it on the lower geopolitical tensions, meaning wars aren't as crazy as they thought they were going to be, I guess. I don't know. Stuff around the world isn't as bad as they were thinking it's going to be, or it is right now. Then another thing, you got the Feds. The Feds say they're going to lower the rates 3 times this year. Now they're coming out saying they might not lower them at all. They might wait and hold off until September, November, maybe December. So you got bigger people out there with the more money. They're waiting to see what's really going to happen. They're not really too keen on the uncertainty of the Fed. And of course, we have the election coming up. There's going to be more elections this year in the world. Other countries are doing elections and everything too than ever before. So there's a lot of uncertainty out there. So people aren't really diving in too strong right now. Like I always say, stick to your plan, stick to your guns. If you plan on selling and holding long term, or buying and holding long term, then buy and hold long term. Which reminds me, if you like this channel and you want to watch it long term, please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the notifications on so you get this info. Share it so we can make this channel grow, so we can make the community grow. All right, enough with that. So if you're worried about the price and you're stressing because you need money, you need to sell it, then I guess you need to watch the price. But I'm a long-term holder. I do it as a hobby and as sort of a safe haven for like a savings account. So I'm not really worried about the price. One thing that does worry me though is I was chatting with my brother yesterday. We have conversations. I told him I should start recording them so I could put them on YouTube. They get interesting about this stuff. I wish I could remember most of it, but my memory sort of sucks. We were talking, and one thing that does worry me is if the next generation doesn't get into silver and silver gold metals. So what we were talking about with that is say 20 years down the line, I have 5,000 ounces, hopefully, who knows, whatever. But the next generation that's behind me doesn't really give a hoot about the metals. They don't care about silver. They don't care about gold. Heck, they don't even care about driving anymore. So who knows what the heck they're going to care about. But if they don't care about the metals in the future, 20 years from now, who's to say there's going to be a brick and mortar store where I can take my buffaloes and sell them for anything? Who's to say there's going to be an online dealer that I can go on and ship my stuff to and sell it? I don't know. So that was like a thing we were discussing, and it might get a little weird. And we were talking, brick and mortar coin shops. It's tough for them. There's not really a big margin on metals, unless they rely on a lot of over the counter stuff. Then they can buy it under spot, sell it over spot. But they have bills too. They got rent to pay. They got employees to pay. They got utilities to pay. So unless, this is just my brother and I's thinking, unless they have the volume to make and support that, then it's hard for little mom and pop coin shops to maintain. In my opinion, I hope it doesn't happen, but you might start seeing mom and pop coin shops disappear. So it might be turned into these big online spots to try and sell it back to them. I know JM Bullion has a buyback SD Bullion has a buyback program. JM Bullion, I think, does too. I think Bold. I think most of them do. I don't know what exactly you're going to get from them. As far as like what you want or what you expect. But I mean, that is an option. And in the future, I'm thinking it might be the only option. I don't know. It's hard to say. Those of you with kids, try and get your kids into this. Get the next generation into this, so that the metals will mean something to them when we hand it down to them. And maybe it's a passing of the wealth to them. But if there's nobody interested in it, then we're all just wasting our time. But who knows what the future brings. For now, I'm buying, I'm stacking, and see what happens. That goes with anything, though. You never know with the stock market. The new generation might not give a hoot about that either. So who knows? Another thing I wanted to share with everybody is I did come across, or I didn't come across, but I knew about a website and I wanted to share with everybody. If I can find it in my notes. I can't find it right now. So I came across a website. It's called findbullionprices.com. It's a good website to go to that's going to show you where you can get the best deals on gold, silver, platinum, whatever bullion you're looking for. I started looking on there a little bit, but then I came across and I started looking on Bold. What is it? BoldPreciousMetals.com, and they started having some good deals. There's quite a bit of stuff that you can find on there for decent prices, and they're just like everything else I've used, where it's over $199 and they give free shipping. So check them out if you're looking to spend $200 or around that, and see what kind of deals, see what kind of stuff they have. Seemed like they had a good inventory. I think that's going to be my next, the next spot I go to for purchases, just to check them out and see what kind of experience I have with them. But right now on findbullion.com, I mean, they have 10-ounce bars listed for 10-ounce bar for the best price of $283.02, which, hey, that's not a bad deal right now. So that might be my next thing. I got some stuff coming up, and then I'm going to get back into buying and start doing some unboxing and stuff for you guys again. Sorry I haven't been doing that, but just trying to get some other stuff situated and trying to do some things. Appreciate you guys stopping by and watching the video. If you made it this far, please hit the like and subscribe button. Trying to get this channel to grow. But until the channel grows. And until next time, I hope you guys have a good week. Hope your weekend was good. Hope your Sunday's even better. See what the week ahead has for us. And next time, I'll catch you on the flip side.